This is question number 16 of homework 9 for chapter 11. So this is a real-time data analysis exercise. We are asked to look at two time series. One is the 30-year conventional mortgage rate. Another one is a 5-1 one-year adjustable rate mortgage. So this 5-1 year means that it's actually for the first 5 years, it's going to be fixed rate. And after that, every year, the rate will be adjusted once. So that's what this one here represents. Uh, so basically, we have two types of interest rates. One is the fixed interest rate, which is the conventional mortgage rate. Another one is the adjustable rate mortgage, which means that the interest rate might fluctuate with the prevailing market interest rate at that time. Click the following link to view the 30-year conventional mortgage rate data from Fred. And what are the mortgage rates reported for? So we just need to find out uh, the data on that specific date, the most recent date, I guess. So see that it's on October 29th, 2020, it's 2.81. So this is 2.81. And then the 5/1 adjustable rate mortgage ARM was. So we can just add the second chart by using the edit graph feature and add line, and then we just need to copy this symbol for this variable and copy that, and then you can see it's a 5/1 year adjustable rate mortgage. So add data series. So now we have two on the same chart, and then we just need to do that similarly. So can look at the red chart is basically a 5/1 year adjustable rate. So that's 2.88. Right, that's 2.88. And then let's check our answer. If the principal payment for a given month were $2,700, then what would the interest payment per month? So this is using the simple interest B, which means that each month's interest will just be based on the principal rather than the principal plus the interest payment. So that's what compounding means. But here it mentions we need to use the simple interest. And then the interest payment for 30-year mortgage using simple interest would be, and ARM would be. So we need to calculate two types of interest payment. And both will have a principal of 27. So we just need to multiply the principal amount by the interest rate, right? Because this is already a monthly principal payment for a given month. So this is monthly. So we don't need to, once we multiply by the interest rate and then we're done basically. We don't need to divide that further by 12 to get the monthly interest payment, because this is already monthly principal payment. So we just need to multiply this by the interest rate. And that gives us 75.87. So we just need to copy that number back. And this is the 30-year mortgage in interest payment. And under ARM, the calculation is similar, but we just need to multiply by the interest rate under ARM, which is 2.88%. So it's just copy this number back. So check our answer. And then over a 1 year period, how much would the difference in interest payments amount to between the two mortgage types? It turns out in this case, you have to use the first number and minus the second number. If you use just to take the absolute difference, the number you put here will not be recognized by MyLab. So we just need to take the difference of the first number and then minus the second number. But the difference, since the interest payment here is the monthly interest payment, so this difference we calculated here is also a monthly number. But the question is asking us what is over a 1 year period, how much would the difference be, right? So then we just need to multiply this by 12. That's basically how much the annual interest payment, the difference between the annual interest payment would be. And so that gives us this number. Just copy that number back. Okay, so maybe I just need to, yes, check my answer. Okay, all right.